In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional social media manager portfolio for free on Canva. This portfolio will be perfect to share with potential clients or employers, and the best part is you don't need any design background to follow along. All you need is a free Canva account and a few minutes to customize your design. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the button that says Create a Design. This is where you start any new project in Canva, including your portfolio. After you click Create a Design, a search bar will appear. In that search bar, type the word portfolio. Canva will immediately show you different portfolio formats, like presentations, documents, and multi-page layouts. These are pre-made designs that you can fully customize. Choose a portfolio format that fits how you want to present your work. For example, a multi-page presentation style is great if you want to walk clients through your services, past projects, and results. A document layout is better if you prefer something that looks more like a PDF you can send as an attachment. Once you see a style you like, click on it to open it in the Canva editor. Now that your base portfolio is open, you'll want to make it specific to social media management. On the left-hand side of the screen, click on the Templates tab. This is where you can browse thousands of ready-made designs. In the search bar within the Templates panel, type in Social Media Manager. Canva will now show you template options that are more tailored to social media work, including layouts that highlight content calendars, analytics, strategies, and campaign results. Look through these options and pick a design that feels close to your brand and the type of clients you want to attract. Don't worry if it's not perfect yet. You can change fonts, colors, and photos later. Once you've selected a template, it will apply to your pages. From here, you can start replacing the placeholder text with your name, your role as a social media manager, your services, examples of posts or campaigns, and any metrics that show your results. Take your time customizing everything so your portfolio looks clean, professional, and aligned with your personal brand.